Working out amounts on a scale. I want to work out the value of A, B and C, and I've got these scales and these intervals to work out. I know that I've got 0 kilograms here, I've got 4 kilograms here, so there are two things I need to do to be able to work out the value of each line or each interval. First, I need to count up the number of intervals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I know that there's 10. I then need to divide the end amount by the number of intervals. The end amount means the 4 kilograms right here. So we're dividing 4 kilograms into 10. Now I've converted the 4 kilograms into grams to make this a little bit easier. And 4,000 divided by 10 gives me 400 grams. So each line is worth 400 grams. And using that, I can work out, or I can count up in 400 grams up to A. So A is worth 800 grams, or 0.8 kilograms. I can go along to B, but it's even easier to go to this halfway line. I know that half of 4 kilograms is 2 kilograms, and then I know that B is only 400 grams more. So B is going to be 2,400 grams, or 2.4 kilograms. And then from B, I can do another 800 grams over to C, and if I add 800 to the 2,400, it will give me 3,200 kilograms, or 3.2 kilograms.